Hi, this is Dave at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale Company, and we have been in the silk flower business for nearly 40 years. When we started, I remember an old magic silk salesman that said to me with great fervor, with his hands clenched, he said, "Dave, color is everything." And I never forgot the way he said it, and I never forgot those words. So when we travel to the factories and the showrooms to make our selections and make our purchases for the next season, we remember how important color is. We make sure that we select colors that are sometimes botanically correct, sometimes fashion forward, so that we have what people need for their home or for bridal or whatever reason. We have literally hundreds of different colors available at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale Company. We encourage you, have a good look. We think you're going to find what you need. And remember, color is everything.